Hi, I'm Debbi Carboni with the Kyzen Corporation. I'm the Global Product Line Manager for electronics. Kyzen actually was founded on sustainability in many regards. We've always been focused on continuous improvement and looking at ways that we can make products more eco-friendly, make them more effective, so you're not leaving behind as much waste and you're not impacting the people using the products, and also looking at the cost associated with those. This year, what we have actually started to focus in is, we're very well known for doing that effectively on the post reflow cleaning process. And we're actually taking that same methodology and building it into the under stencil printing process. If you have a good printing process and you have a good wipe process that's necessary for the type of components that we're building, you're going to leave behind less waste. When you look at the industry as a whole and you really look at what's important in cleaning, being able to maintain reliability while providing products that are green screen certified, that can meet all of the different regulations, what's coming down, not just in the next 12 months, but honestly in the next 5 years. From a chemical standpoint, and working with our partners and our customers to understand what kind of regulations they're going to have to move forward with.